once I started using it, then I really understood how good of a message DriveSure brings across to our customers. Yeah, it was a huge difference. So I think the other companies that I used really didn't want you to file claims, didn't want the customers to know about it. They don't understand the big picture of the utilization of it is what strengthens the program. And every inspection that's gone over, also the DriveSure benefits are going over with the customer so that they know what they have. It's a big part of it. Marketing the product and people understanding what they get, that they get 120 days of roadside assistance and road hazard coverage with the service every time they come in is so strong. And I talk to employees about it, not only customers, and hey, what do you think of this product? And I'll tell you, every time I ask, 100% of the responses don't ever get rid of it. I gotta tell you that. It's something that once you're using it, the customers love it, the employees love it. It's just an awesome benefit we offer. We actually, believe it or not, we're in this little dealership here in Hawaii, but we are the third largest tire retailer in the Chrysler network in the western region of the country. So I think that says something for us, a smaller dealership here in Oahu.